All right, let's get into Noblesville. I'm going to take this one too. I love Noblesville, and oftentimes I jump right to the days on market for Noblesville, and it's exactly what I'm going to do right now. It's at 36, a very healthy 36. And again, if your property is with Red Door, you're beating that in the Noblesville area without a doubt. But aside from just patting ourselves on the back, let's get into some of these numbers here. Number of active homes in the Noblesville area, and this is for the May 2025 rental market update for Noblesville. 69 number of active homes month over month. That is down almost 15%. So the market is definitely tightening. Oh, man, let me decline that. Guess I shouldn't be logged into Zoom while I'm doing this. My phone calls pop up on the screen. Okay, back to the numbers. Average rental price, $2,100 is your average rental price, which is almost static month over month, year over year. You're up almost 8%. So those rental prices are continuing to go up. Average days on market, 36. This is down 5.25. Average price is right at $1. Now we have almost the same number of apartments available here in Noblesville as we do in Fishers. So, which is kind of strange because I don't see near as many apartments in the Noblesville area. But we've got 49 active apartments at an average rental rate of $1,666. Boy, that's a scary number, right? 1,666. Okay. $1.42 is your average price per square foot. Condos, 3 condos, $2,600 is your average price. 109 days on the market. Do not get a condo for rent in Noblesville. Run.
Not over $2,500 anyway.
Yeah, exactly. You're right. And then, of course, all those graphs there that track your long-term data over time. Man, if you look at last year, it was a roller coaster, and we are seeing much more consistent numbers here for 2025. And all of these graphs will be consumable through all of our social media channels there listed just below that. Anything on this, Mike?
I mean, this is great. This is a great market report for Noblesville. I mean, look at
these market reports are getting boring. There's like
8%. I mean, it's almost just good news. It's always just good news. 8% year over year. I mean, God, if I'm an investor, I love seeing 8% growth on my rental prices. And then 36 days on the market. Gosh, this is fantastic. This is a fantastic month for Noblesville.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Let's see if it translates to the sales side. All right. The May 2025 sales market report for Noblesville. We're looking at average days on market at 22, which is consistent with our previous reports, is down month over month. 22 average days on the market. Average price per square foot is at 182. Your average sales price, here we go. We're getting into negative numbers. Yep. Month over month, we're down. My goodness. Now, who's laughing now, Mike? Who's laughing now? Number of homes sold at 92. And then look at this, average sales price over time. And I'm acting excited about this only because I feel like somebody said this a couple months ago. But look at these. Look where these lines are intersecting. Look at this. I mean, we are lower than we were last year. Yeah, I mean, this is interesting. I mean, all jokes aside, I mean, this is interesting and going to be very interesting to continue to watch here.
It is, especially as we kind of get into the peak of the sales market. So I mean, this is May. This is, I mean, you're getting into the bulk of the market. So interesting to see. You know what we might want to add here as maybe a graph is inventory, because that's been the story of the last couple of years, is lack of inventory, and now we're starting to see. I don't know if a flood of inventory is the right word, but we're an increase in inventory as well. So we might want to add that as a graph here on this sales data, because that would be really interesting to see how that correlates. What's curious though is average days on the market is an incredible 22. So it's like it's conflicting, and maybe that's just maybe we are seeing this. Yeah, the transition, right? Maybe that's what it is, but. 1 month, doesn't make a trend. We'll have to see how this plays out over June, July, and August. And then I think at that point we can really see where the market is. But this is interesting because we saw not as much, but we saw the same thing in Fishers, where a slight slight price decrease. So this isn't the only market that we're seeing today.
Yeah, yeah. So to your point on a couple things here, yes, this could be an indicator. It's definitely not concrete yet, but we'll see as we continue to watch the number of homes sold there in that area. I think that'd be a great place for us to add inventory. So it's inventory versus number of homes sold for the previous month. I think maybe we can find a spot in there. But I think that would be. I hate that we're just now thinking about this because yes, that would have been awesome to track over the last few months. So
We can
yeah,
get that data though.
yeah, I know we could back report, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. So stay tuned. Some additional changes that might be coming to your sales market reports. This is fascinating. I love watching this. Okay. All right. So number of homes sold. This is an awesome little graph. It's going to show you exactly, well, in the investor point of view, that's exactly where we capture these numbers. So any home that's sold under 500,000, where exactly in what price point, how many homes have sold in that specific price point. So that is an awesome consumable graph that you can take a peek at and see what it might cost you and how many homes in exactly your budget range. So that's why we put that graph there. Okay, let's keep this moving along here.